I'm Radhika Jalli, undergraduate student in Vijnana Bharati Institute of Technology, Hyderabad, Telangana. My guide Dr. Sandeep Shidula, who is the Director of Research and Development Cell in Vijnana Bharati Institute of Technology. We sincerely thank National Institute of Urban Affairs Department and Namame Gange for selecting our project innovative idea for this competition. We sincerely thank our project mentor for successful completion of this project within the time. My project title is IoT based trash collecting board. So here you can see this is my project hardware implementation. By using this prototype, we will be able to collect trash which is floating on the rivers. Now we will show the components which are used in this design. So the first one is a 12 volts DC rechargeable battery which is used to give supply to each and every component which is present over here. And the second one, it is a breadboard which acts as an intermediate between the components as well as the batteries. And the first component which is connected to the breadboard is the ultrasonic sensor which avoids the obstacles. And the second component which is connected is ESP32 camera which gives the visualizations, and in front of it an LED is connected which gives a light. And the third component which is connected is LM2596 which acts as an voltage regulator. And the fourth component which is connected is LM293 motor driver which gives the motion of the boat. Fifth component is the Arduino Uno board. And sixth component is a buzzer which is used to give the alerts. This is the motor driver. It is connected to the two motors which is used to control the speed of the motor, and these motors they are connected to the wheel. So this movement it makes the motor to run on the river. And the second one is the third motor, it is connected to the conveyor belt. This motor it makes the movement of the conveyor belt, and this conveyor belt it is used to collect the trash which is floating on the river. And the third part is the trash collector. Whatever the trash it was collected by the conveyor belt, it will be thrown on the trash container, and this trash container will be filled. The purpose of fire sensor which is connected to the trash container is that it gives a light whenever the trash container is filled. Let's see the operation of the prototype. As it is based on the IoT one, we can also control the motion of the boat on river with the help of phone applications. So here, this is the ESP32 camera. With the help of this camera, we can see the visuals in front of the river. Now let us control the motion of boat. Here the forward button it makes the two wheels to move in forward direction. The right button makes one of the wheel to move in forward direction and another to move in backward direction. With the help of backward button we can make the two wheels to run on backward direction. With the help of the left button we can make one of the wheel to move on forward direction and another to move on backward direction. And with the help of LED which is connected to the ESP32 camera, we can turn it on. And with the light off button, we can turn it off. Now with the help of belt on button, we can make the conveyor belt to move and collect the trash. lot of wastage is mixing up with water. This is only the one place, but there are many places where the Musi river is getting polluted with this wastage, and due to this it is causing water pollution. So by using IoT based water collecting transport, we can clean up these rivers. With the help of backward button, we can move the motion of the boat towards the back. Now we can make the motion of the boat forward. And we can make the motion of the boat in reverse also. And towards the left side. You can see with the help of belt on button, the conveyor belt, it is moving and it is collecting the trash which is floating on the river. So here the trash which is collected on the belt, it is this throwing in the trash container.